right, we're here at the Hercules Glade Wilderness. Let's go on a hike. We assume about 33 degrees. We're not getting a connection here, but it's a beautiful sunny day. I'm here with my friends, and we're hiking about 5 miles today. Hey, look who we found, a friend. His name is Jack. Say hi, Jack.
He's got dog tags on him too.
Yeah, he's got a tracking collar on and dog tags. He belongs to somebody.
Yeah.
Well, his tracking device is a Garmin.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. We've reached one campsite. Nice little fire ring, a log for a bench. Quaint. See if we can find any tent pads. Any tent? I don't know. Maybe over here. Whoa. Here's another little campsite. Only about a quarter mile after the last one. Kind of rocky ground here. Not really a great place for tents. But hammocks would be great. Check this out. There's a big rock and a tree grew up under and lifted it up. The epic power of nature! Alright, we reached our first overlook. Awesome. We have reached, I believe, the Koi Bald. And a nice overlook, as well as a campsite with a fire ring. Some nice, decent tent spots back here. Plenty of room for hammock. Back in among these cedars here. Beautiful spot. Alright, we reached one of our main sites here at Hercules Glade. These are the waterfalls along Long Creek. Alright, this place is pretty cool. We're gonna take a break, eat some lunch, and then we'll continue on. Alright, we spent about like an hour and a half hanging out. Had some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. He had some ramen.
Yeah, ramen.
Yeah. Alright, let us continue on the trail. Pretty awesome campsite here overlooking the river. Just right after the waterfalls. Looks like there's another fire ring up there. Plenty of flat space for tents. Plenty of good hammock trees. This is a good campsite for a lot of people. Old wash. Massive erosion. Check this out, folks. This is awesome. We're trying to cross the river here, or the creek, Long Creek. And we notice this little overhang. It's pretty cool. Alright, river crossing number 2. Let's go. Woohoo! Another, what is this, campsite number 4 or 5?
I think 5 there.
Pretty nice. Oh, I'd say we're probably like 3/4 of a mile from the waterfalls. Creek is right over there, Long Creek. Yeah. It is kind of right on the trail, though that sucks. We've crossed the river, or the creek, like 2-3 times. 3 times, right?
Yeah, 3. This is our 3rd time. 3rd attempt.
Yeah, then now this is our 3rd time. And it's very sketchy. It's very cold.
Moss.
Tons of moss. I love moss.
Randy moss.
Alright, we get to cross it again.
Number 4.
Number 4. Here we go. Again. Beep, beep, beep. Oh my goodness. Maybe this way. Alright. Success. Bing. Alright, we're here, arriving up at our number 5 crossing of Long Creek.
Sick of this BS.
We've arrived at our campsite. We got our tent set up here. I have my REI Passage 2 tent. And I have my Thermarest Hyperion 20 sleeping bag. It's a 20-degree sleeping bag, but it's supposed to get down to 20 degrees tonight. So I went and picked up this Sea to Summit Reactor Extreme sleeping bag liner. So we're gonna try that out tonight, see how that goes. I got my Sea to Summit pillow there. And I also have the Thermarest sleeping pad. which is the X-Therm, the Neo Air X-Therm sleeping pad. Yeah, I got my phone charging over there and stuff. Pretty cool. My buddy, I don't know as much about it, but my buddy over here's got the Gossamer gear tent. It's an ultralight tent. It's a truck and bowl tent. Yeah, pretty nice. Got our fire ring over here. Chair set up. We're ready to rock. We gotta collect some firewood here. And he went to go get some water. Let's get this party started. Alright, we got a little fire started here. I had some Velveeta shells and cheese. Nate's got some chicken teriyaki rice. He says it's pretty good.
Really good.
Hello everybody, it is about 9 o'clock. We had a lovely fire. And now we're heading to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning everybody. It's the next day. It is about 10:30. I'm not feeling very good this morning. So I've been laying here trying to rest or feel a little better. Took some Advil. My friend isn't doing so good either. His tent got really built, a bunch of condensation buildup on his tent and got his sleeping bag wet. So yeah, so we're gonna start packing up and move on. Alright, so we're heading out. Got everything packed up. And we're heading out. I think we decided to head back to the car today. I am absolutely miserable. When I woke up, my sinuses were completely clogged. My whole head was just, I could just feel the head pressure. And I have really bad migraines, and so one of those migraines seemed to kick in. I've already thrown up a couple of times. I probably will a couple more times on the way back. But yeah, my friend, his sleeping bag is wet from the condensation in his tent, so it's probably not a good idea to risk another night in the cold without a good insulating sleeping bag. So yeah, we're gonna cut it a day short. We got about 3 miles back to the car. It was 5 miles to get here, but there's another trail that's kind of a shortcut, so we're gonna take that. It's only 3 miles back. I don't know if I'm gonna do that much filming on the way back, just because I feel miserable, but I'll try. Here's a nice big wide open campsite. Woohoo. Plenty of spots for tents. Icy steps. Alright, just made another water crossing. Pretty cool cliffs here along the river, or the creek, I'm sorry, the Long Creek. This is just after the Devil's Den. Alright, another campsite right at the cliff area. Looks pretty nice. Big giant fire pit. Needs to be shoveled out. Nice, plenty of space for tents. Got a couple of good hammock trees over there. Alright, so we made it back to the car, and now on the road out, we get to have fun and cross this cool little bridge. It's a bridge that goes under the water and lets the water flow over. Pretty cool, lots of fun. Anyway, we had a great hike. We had a great time until today. I just felt miserable, but I'm sorry to cut the hike short, everybody, but it's not feeling well. I'll probably have to come back here some other time and make it up, because this place is gorgeous. This water is crystal clear. The forest is beautiful. There's tons of large birds, ravens, and hawks and eagles. It was amazing. I wish we could have stayed longer, but I'm not feeling up to it. But anyway, check me out next week on Happy Trails Backpacking.